Good morning, students. Hope you are all doing well. This is Mohan. This is a small introductory video for the upcoming CA final and CMA final regular batch. And as you all know that we have two verticals called a regular batch and the study hours and revision exams batch. At first, I'm introducing the details about the upcoming CA final and CMA final regular batch. This is all about the coaching classes, okay? So phase 2 CA final and CMA final regular batch is likely to commence on July 15, 2021. And the coaching is not going to be the traditional one, I mean to say the physical one or the offline batch. The coaching is going to be through online mode only. You'll be given HD quality video recordings recorded by our team of faculty. And the video's validity will be up to June 1st, 2022 with 1.5 views option. And you may please know that the coaching is available for all the 8 subjects under one roof. The coaching is available for all the 8 subjects under one roof. See, unlike many other CA coaching centers, we are offering coaching for all the 8 subjects under one roof since from the beginning, since from our inception of CA final and CMA final coaching. And you have a facility to attend the classes, or you have a facility to take the coaching either on subject-wise basis or on group-wise basis. And please do note that this facility is not available for CMA final students. So I repeat, student can take the classes for both the groups or for group 1 or for group 2 or on subject-wise basis also. But whereas for CMA final students, you have only one option. You can attend the classes or you can take the coaching only for both the groups at a time. And you are free to call us on 9881250001 or 9881250003 for demo videos recorded by our faculty. So the demo videos are available for all the faculty members who are taking classes for CA final and CMA final. And our old SSP students, I mean to say SSP1 or SSP2 or SSP3 students, shall pay a refundable caution deposit and they can take free coaching for all the 8 subjects. And in case, I repeat, in case, if they want to take coaching on group-based basis, sorry, my dear, that is not permitted. You have only 2 options. The first one is you can take the coaching for all the 8 subjects put together, or else you can take coaching on subject-wise basis. And in that case, it is limited to only 3 subjects. And please do note that if you want to take classes for all the 8 subjects, I mean to say both the groups, you need to make the payment of refundable caution deposit, and the same will be refunded after the completion of the coaching within the stipulated time. And second one, if you want to take coaching on subject-based basis, you are permitted to take coaching for any 3 subjects of your choice. In such a case, you need not even make the payment of refundable caution deposit. I repeat, you need not even make the payment of refundable caution deposit. And in both the cases, I mean to say, attending classes for 8 subjects or attending classes for 3 subjects, you need to submit your CA final or CMA final SSP document that was issued earlier. See, unlike other coaching institutions, we are even providing the doubts clarification window, which is attended by the same faculty who are taking the classes. And in some exceptional cases, the same facility or the doubts clarification facility will be done by our supporting faculty. And would like to bring to a notice that we have reduced the fees drastically to support the students community in this pandemic situation. And our fees is subject to GST at the rate of 18%. Our fee is subject to GST, and we are going to make the payment of that GST, that a portion of GST out of our pocket. In simple, though we are making the payment of GST to the government, we are not going to collect the same from the students. And my dear students, those are into articleship and planning to take coaching from November 2021, I strongly advise them to attend for the classes now itself, either with masterminds or someone else. See, from November 2021, the situations may not permit you to attend the classes. Once you go and attend the offices physically, the situations may not permit. So it is better to take the classes. It is better to attend the classes now itself, either with masterminds or someone else. And now coming to CMA final students. Yes, as I just told you, the admission is available for both the groups combination only. I mean to say group-wise or subject-wise coaching is not available for CMA final students. And please do note that there's no separate batch for CMA final students, and they'll be given the same video classes that were provided for CA final students. However, we will arrange a separate video classes for CMA final students to teach those areas, which are exclusively there for CMA finals, which are exclusively there for CMA finals. And old SSP students who took admission for CA, I repeat, old SSP students, I mean to say SSP1 or SSP2, SSP3, who took admission for CA can continue for CMA instead of CA course. And students, here is an important note. So instead of attending the classes through video recording classes, or instead of taking the coaching through video recording classes, you have a better option. Students can alternatively join for CA final or CMA final or regular batch, I mean to say classes, through live interactive mode of coaching. And this live interactive mode of coaching was started on June 11th. And don't worry, we are going to provide the videos of the first 30 days for the late joining students. We are going to provide the videos of the class recordings for the first 30 days for the late joining students. And please do note that the name itself defines that the classes will be through a live interactive mode. The classes will be through an app which is similar to Zoom app. And I request all the students to please do share this video to our friends. Now coming to the another service that is being provided by the students, that is being provided by the masterminds to the students of CA final and CMA final. So the new CA final study hours and revision exams batch is likely to commence on July 12, 2021. And both the online and physical batches are available. I mean to say online and offline batches are available. In case of offline batches, the study hours are going to be conducted physically. And we are going to follow all the COVID precautionary steps, all the standard operating procedures, and only 3 students will be allowed to sit in 2 benches. And the first revision examination is going to be from August 1st. The first revision examination is going to be from August 1st. And students of both the groups and single group students of both the groups or single group can take admission. Students of both the groups or single group can take admission. And our services, all our services will be available up to November 30th. So nearly for 5 months, we are going to offer all our services. And in case of those students who would like to take the services through online mode, there is a batch called MMTS is also available. In such a case, no physical study hours will be conducted, but you'll be given all the services, like you'll be provided a schedule, you'll be given the question paper, you'll be given the suggested answers, valuation will be done, and valuation report will be done. And you'll be given a support call, doubts clarification services also. Now coming to the new CA final, coming to the new CMA final study hours and revision exams batch. See, absolutely, let me be very fair. Since the numbers are less for CMA final study hours and revision exams batch, we are not going to start any new schedule. We are not going to start any new schedule. But however, recently we have started a schedule for CMA final students. And the first examination was already being conducted on June 16th. And students can take admission in this batch and can continue to appear for the remaining examinations. And for this batch, I mean to say for CMA final study hours and revision exams batch, students are having 2 options. Again, the physical mode, I mean to say offline mode, and the second one is online mode. The online mode is otherwise popularly called as masterminds test series. And our services will be available till 31st December 2021 in case of CMA final. And please do note that students can transfer the CA final or CMA final document to their friends for the purpose of attending the CA final or CMA final study hours batches. This is a benefit. If at all, if you are interested, you can avail this benefit. I request all the students to kindly share this video to your friends. Now, before I conclude, I'd like to share the achievements that we had at CA final and CMA final level. And please do note that this is our 25th session of CA final or CMA final. And near about 2,000 students are taken admission into masterminds, including both at Guntur and branches together in November 2019 session. Now, after that, you all know that due to this pandemic situation, the numbers have come down drastically. So that's why I'm stating the numbers, I'm stating the figures that we had in November 2019 session. And I'm proud to share that our student by name, G. Pranit achieved All India first rank in CM final results that were announced in January 2020. And our students have secured 3 All India first ranks in 2020 alone. One in CA final, the other one is CMA final, and the other one is CMA intern. And in the recent results that were declared in January 2021, it's not in January 2021, sorry for that. It was in March 2021. So in the recent results declared in March 2021 for CMA intern and CMA final put together, our students have secured 98 All India ranks, including the All India first rank and All India second rank. And our students have secured 9 All India ranks in CA final level in the results that were declared in January 2020. And our students have secured 8 All India ranks in CA final results that were announced in the 2021. And you can even see the ranks that were secured by our students. They have been displayed. Apart from that, 44 All India ranks, our students have secured 44 All India ranks in the last 8 attempts of CA final results. And our students have secured the following single digit ranks in the last 3 years in CA final level, that is All India first, All India fourth, and All India ninth. And I'd like to just share the flyers of those achievements as well. So these are the 44 All India rank holders who brought name and fame to the team Masterminds. And these are the 44 All India ranks we have secured in the last 8 attempts of CA final. These are the All India ranks that we have secured in 2021 CA final results, sorry. And these are the All India ranks we have secured in 2020 CA final results. And these 3 are the single digit All India ranks we have secured at CA final level. And this is he's Mr. Nikhil, who secured All India first rank in CMA final level in the recently announced results. And another student by name Guru Bhaskar, who secured All India first rank in 2020 CMA final results. Students, before I conclude, I'd like to highlight this point. For the above ranks, I would like to give the complete credit to our students, and we have just acted as a catalyst. And dear students, when you think of taking admission into Masterminds, give more importance to our commitment than to our ranks. And before I conclude, please do share this video to our friends. For more details, you may please contact 9881250001, 9881250003. Thank you. May God bless the team Masterminds.